Most of what makes Moovila work, the integration help, the data pipeline, the infrastructure running behind every project, you never see it. And that's by design. And that's Christian. So, Christian, what's your role at Moovila?
So I am a mainly backend developer, with my focus there being mostly on integrations, a little bit of DevOps on the side too.
Awesome. And how long have you been with the team?
Gosh, I guess 4.5 years, just about exactly 4.5 years, which is crazy.
That is crazy. When someone uses Moovila and it just syncs perfectly with ConnectWise or Autotask, what actually has to happen behind the scenes to make that happen?
Quite a lot, honestly. There's a lot of consideration for um, load and making sure that we're not, sending crappy data back and forth. But we have to kind of all agree on, um, you know, first and foremost, the business logic, and then just kind of the usual infrastructure stuff, making sure that we're throwing enough workers at the problem so people aren't waiting 20 minutes for a sync to run. All that is kind of something we have to carry around with us all the time.
Very cool. You're working with technologies like Kafka, Docker, MongoDB, .NET. For someone who doesn't know or live in that world, how would you explain what you're actually working with?
I guess the term that would best capture it is like a distributed system. The reason we have all these different things is so that the different parts of our backend can rise to the occasion.
Definitely. On top of the integration work, you also help keep the services environments running smoothly. What does that side of the job look like day to day?
Well, it's really fun to kind of go over and like be more of a computer nerd, I guess. Just looking at servers, making sure that everything is running right. Yeah, it's more like AWS stuff and terminal windows. It's that's like really the behind the scenes part.
Very cool. Last one, but a fun one. What is your go to gas station snack?
I got to give it to sunflower seeds, oral fixation, high salt content,
Mhm.
crazy different like flavors that it seems like somebody just made up and like threw it in a bag. Skill expression and eating sunflower seeds, not everyone can do it. So I feel like you can always find a bag of Funyuns at a gas
Mhm.
station. And I think Funyuns also maybe also gross, but super underrated. I think people should give Funyuns their flowers. I think they're top tier.
Christian, one of the main reasons Mooville works the way that it's supposed to, even when nobody's watching. We're glad you're on the team.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity to peek out from behind the curtain and talk for a little bit. It's cool. Thank you.
Absolutely.